Hi everyone, today we are going to continue our learning percent journey and talk about a percent markup. So this means that in our last lesson we were looking at a percent discount, right? So we are looking for the discount, finding a decrease in the original price, and learning how much we saved on a sale item. Well, a percent markup is what happens at a store before they start selling it. So you have two different prices. You have a retail price, which is the price that like a store purchased it for, but then they mark up the price in order to make a profit. That profit is how this business stays in business. And so our job today is to look at this percent markup and think of it as a profit. So we are going to be modeling a real life situation today with a bicycle. And the bicycle that we have, for example, A, says that a store pays $70 for the bike. We want to know how much are they going to sell it for when they mark it up 20%. So how much do you actually pay for that bike when it's been marked up 20%? So the store buys a bike for $70 and sells it for 20% more. So we want to know what is the price. So our job is to use that same equation that we used before. Okay, so you can use the equation or you can use the proportions, your choice. We're going to go ahead and figure out where these different parts go. So we're looking for the what is the price. What is the price that we purchase it for? Okay, so we have a store buys the bike for $70, sells it for 20% more. 20% more. So we're going to figure out what this is. What is 20% of 70? So we're looking at what is 20% of 70. So we're going to put this into our x equals 20% times $70. So now we're ready to multiply. So this here becomes 20 over 100, and we're going to multiply that by 70, and now we can solve for x. So 20, there we go. 20 times 70 gives us 1,400. We're going to divide that by 100. So x equals $14. So we get $14 is the markup. This is the profit that they make. So we want to know what are we buying it for. So we're going to take this x and we're going to now do one more step. So what is the price? What's the list price? We're going to take 14 plus 70 and that gives us $84. This is how much right here you would be purchasing the bicycle for. $84. All right. Now we're going to go on to example B. In example B, they have, what are they selling now? They are selling baseball caps. A store sells baseball caps and they purchase them for $15. They then have a markup of 60%. So how much are you, the consumer, buying the baseball cap for? So we're going to write this out. A store pays $15 for a baseball cap. They mark up the price 60%. How much do you pay? How much do you pay? That is our question here. Okay, so again, we're going to set up a proportion. We're looking at the what is, right? We don't know. So it says that x equals, I don't know why the gardener's here right now. The neighborhood gardener just shows up whenever and starts doing the entrance area. Okay, so x equals 60% of the $15. So 15 is our total. We want to know what the markup is. Now we're ready to solve for x. So in order to solve for x, we're going to take 60, put it over 100, multiply 15 over 1. This will give us x. So we're going to take 60 times 15. Those of you practicing still with your calculator, you can put it in there. Remember, just clear it out. 15 times 60, that gives us 900. You can either then use the trick and cross out the zeros, or just divide it by 100 on your calculator. And that means that x equals $9. We are not done here. This is not done because the question asks, how much do you pay? You're not paying $9. They're trying to make a profit of $9 off of the baseball hat, right? So we have to figure out how much we're paying because this is their profit. That's just the profit. So we're going to take this profit of $9. We're going to add it to the $15 that the store paid from the person who made it. And we see that we are now going to pay $24 for the hat. So we pay $24 for the hat. Okay, so the profit is $9. Our cost to us is $24. Usually in a store, when they put something on sale, they know that they have a $9 profit to work with. So if they wanted to put this on sale for like, I don't know, 20% off, they're still going to make a profit and you save money. As long as they don't go below this $15, then they've made a profit. They're still making money off of what they purchased. Okay, it is your turn now for a try it. Your try it today. I had to pause the video because they were being really loud out front. Okay, the try it for today says that there is a tennis racket that is marked up 50%. So a tennis racket is marked up 50% to a total of $36.75. We want to know what was the original price. So what did the store purchase it for? All right, and then try it number 2. Try it number 2 says that there is a pair of earrings and it is marked up 80%. $32 and will be marked up 80%. How much do you pay? So how much are they being sold for? All right. Go ahead and hit pause so that you don't hear me speaking. And then when you are ready, come on back to the video and hit play, and then you can check your work. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this. A tennis racket was marked up 50% to $36.75. What is the original price? So really this question is asking us, what is 50% of $36.75? So we can set up a percent proportion, oh my goodness, and we can do 50% out of 100 is equal to $36.75. And solve for x, we're solving for the what is. If you set this up as a equation, x equals 50% times 36.75, either way will work. All right, so let's go ahead and multiply straight across. 36.75 times 50. So 36.75 times 50 gives us, whoa, and we need to divide that by 100. Okay, this is one of those ones that we're going to have to round, and we can round it. Was it 1837.5, and we're going to divide that by 100. This will allow us to round. Okay, so this answer that we end up with is $18.38. I'm going to use this 5 to tell the 7 to become an 8. So what was the original price? The original price is $18.38. So that was how much it cost before they marked up the profit. Okay, so it was selling for $36.75. They made a 50% profit on that. So they made $18.38. All right, this one, we're looking at a pair of earrings was $32 and will be marked up 80%. How much are they selling for? So we want to take the is, x, what is 80% of 32. So of 32. And then we're going to have to mark up that 32 at the end. So 80 times 32 gives us $25.60 over 100. We're going to divide that by 100, which gives us $25.60. We're going to take this and the 32, and we're going to, 32, not 36, 32. We're going to add those together and see how much we have to pay for these earrings. So these earrings will cost you $67.60. All right, so I would like for you to please answer your essential question. Your essential question today was, how do you find a percent markup? So how do you find a percent markup? Go ahead and answer that essential question. And then put your level of understanding out to the side. How are you feeling about this? And when you are ready, you can either come on back to the Google Meet and ask for help if you need it, or you can go and do your practice work. As always, I appreciate all of your hard work and effort, and make it a great day.